And I should say, the previous speaker, I'm sorry, sir, I brought the paper because I'll forget the name. Kushru Mistry, sorry if I pronounced it wrong. I think I should say he has covered most of what I wanted to talk. If we have to say cloud strategy, most of it comes, and that becomes very difficult for speakers who speak towards the later part of the day, when the earlier speakers also cover the same sessions. But then, that is what is relevant today if you have to talk about cloud, and if you want to adopt cloud. And I'm sure Zoho doesn't need an introduction today, and I've been associated with Zoho for 23 years. This is my 24th year in the company. And Site24x7 is one of the products from Zoho. Zoho is a cloud provider, cloud solution. And I'm not going to talk about the product here, but I'm just going to give some, based on my learnings when I started in the company, how we were and how we adopted cloud and how we transformed, and how that will be helpful for people when you adopt your cloud strategies. So I will quickly give a brief on how has the infrastructure evolved over a period of time, over the past 2 decades. So this is how typically traditional on-premise IT was, where you had all the layers. I think I'm finding it difficult to use the podium mic, but let me try. Okay. These were typically the different layers that were there. Traditional IT, where everything is self-managed. You have to manage everything. But with advent of technologies, things started changing. This is the generations that the keynote speaker also talked about, each generation of the infrastructure itself, how things evolved. And the co-location spaces picked up, where you will have data centers provided as a service, and rest of it you manage. And then it evolved like this, the hosting providers. The blue color is up to which is managed as a service, and rest of it is self-managed. And then we had infrastructure as a service, and then it followed to platform, till the data layer is provided as a service, and then to function as a service. I don't even want to write any application code. I just have to call some functions with pre-built functions that are already available, and still I can build an application. So that is the transformation that is happening in the industry to complete SaaS, software as a service. There are many applications that we use today using our mobile. It's not even web applications. It's mobile first is what people are thinking. All that we want to do, we just use our